how you guys doing? My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. I have a lot of people call me and want me to do some videos of our smokers. Our website is johnsonsmokers.com. This particular model is called a Compact Ultimate Patio. It's in our Compact series, which just means it's 20-inch pipe smoker. It's quarter-inch steel. Basically wanted to do a video on it mainly to show sizing and scale. Photos sometimes don't do things justice. The smoker, basically your dimensions, you're going to be looking at about, let's call it 5 foot long. I'm 6 foot tall. Let's call it 6 foot tall. Main chamber, firebox, 20-inch pipe, vertical tower, 16-inch pipe. Wanted to basically say the smoker, this is the smallest smoker that we build that has the vertical tower. If we go any smaller in diameter, this unit gets so small, in our opinion, it's just not worth doing. But this smoker does this is a reverse flow smoker, just like all smokers that we do. Let me go ahead and open some stuff up here. We got slide out racks, top and bottom. You can pull the top rack all the way out. The rack square tubing, standard expanded metal. We also do stainless. Once again, this is a reverse flow smoker. There is in the way we do them, there's a tube that's inside this unit. Takes your heat and smoke to this end, comes out from the tube, comes in contact with your cooking racks, goes out to your stacks, creates a reverse flow process. There is a charcoal pan in here included. It's about 2 foot long, foot wide. You can set that charcoal pan up here and you can grill on this section, or you can leave the pan where it's at, which is down there right below this level, about 4 or 5 inches, and you can grill on the bottom rack. Basically, the vertical tower over here, I'm going to try to turn this smoker just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there's an inlet right here that flips open and shut. Right now, I'll basically lean in there, flip that unit open. That's going to take your heat and smoke into this vertical tower. You basically shut it when you want to use it as a warmer. I'm going to shut the door now, turn it back. I've got it centered here for the video. Basic damper for your firebox, open and shut. You got a self-tightening handle. When you push this handle down, it sucks the door up tight to the firebox. Open it up. We got a heavy-duty wood rack in here. Like I say, self-tightening handle. Your vertical smoker, same style handle, temperature gauge. You got 3 racks in here. Once again, this is about the smallest vertical tower that we do. The racks are removable. You basically cock them up at about a 45 degree. You can take them all out. A lot of people like to take out, say, the top rack, or maybe leave the top in, take this one out. You can stand up a chicken in there or do a turkey or whatnot. I don't know if you can tell. You might see that inlet sticking in. Once again, I don't know how well you can tell in the photos, but or the video, but this is the Compact Ultimate Patio. Turn it around straight. Basically on the smoker, we go over all the wells with a flapper disc. The unit will be nice and clean. We don't want you to run your hand around any of these wells and come out with a cut. Disregard the bolt-on stacks unless you're shipping. If you're shipping one of our smokers, it's pretty much mandatory that we do bolt-on stacks. That's mainly due to the shipping process. We don't want them to damage your stacks. Other than that, if you got any questions for me on the reverse flow process, how we do it, give me a shout. We can go over that more in depth. Set up on steel casters. We like the steel casters. They don't dry rot, give flats, those kind of things. The smoker's not light. It's pushing almost 700 pounds. We got dual stacks on the pit, and the same equal ventilation through the whole pit. I can go over you the dual stack on the phone. We basically do that to help people that are learning how to run these smokers. You can open and shut these stacks to basically make the thing dummy proof. As long as you leave one stack open, you won't smother your food on the inside and cause a problem there. You can do the same thing with a single stack smoker, but there is a point. Everybody knows if you shut the stack too much, you'll over smoke your food. I'll explain that in more detail over the phone. Once again, this is Compact Ultimate Patio. My name is Chad. I'm with Johnson Smokers. Give me a call. Want to also say one more thing. This is a compact ultimate patio. We also have one called a compact patio. If you go a compact patio, that's the same pit, just doesn't have the vertical tower. The vertical tower runs roughly about 40 degrees different than your main pit. This will be cooler. This will be about 40 degrees cooler than your main pit at all times. But if you were looking at a compact patio, I'm going to be doing multiple videos. You're going to start seeing all this come up. But until I get my compact patio video up, just consider this being a compact patio if you took this unit off. But right now what you're looking at is a compact ultimate patio. My name's Chad Johnson with Johnson Smokers. www.johnsonsmokers.com. Give us a call, shoot me an email. We're glad to help you guys out, and look forward to doing business with you guys. Thank you.